Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my fall Fabfitfun box. So if you guys want to see what goodies I got for fall, then keep watching. So if you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal subscription service that is $49.99 a month. I know that is a little pricey, but it is definitely worth it. I've received so many great products in these boxes, and a lot of the products that you do get sometimes are more than the box, which is so cool and crazy. I don't know how they do it, but that's how a lot of the boxes are, which I think is awesome. With the subscriptions, you do get choices. You can pay a seasonal fee, so every like 3 months you'll get billed, or you can do your annual. And with those, they come with like different perks, I guess you could say. So like for me, I pay every season and I get to pick out a couple of things that I want to get in my box, and then the rest are surprise. And then if you pay annual, I think you get to pick more items that go in your box, but I just personally like the surprise in the boxes, and I think it's more fun to get a surprise because it's kind of like Christmas. So yeah, I just think it's a great subscription. If you guys want to sign up, I have a link down below. I'm not an affiliate. I think I might get something if you sign up, like I'll get something and you get something. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll let you guys know. So let's unbox this. So this is the fall box. The boxes too are always really pretty, and the design, they always like partner up with a organization of some sort. So this one is City of Hope. I did open up the box, and I'll explain when I get there, but something's in my kitchen that I got from this, so I'll talk about that in a little bit. This is the inside of the box as well. It's super cute and pretty inside. I just love how they're always super colorful and just really, really pretty. Inside the boxes, we always get a magazine, and it always just tells you like little things about the box, but it also shows you everything that you got inside the box. So I always open up the box, kind of go through everything because I have no self-control, and then I'll go into the magazine and highlight everything that I got for you guys, so when I talk about it, I can just, you know, get to the point and tell you how much it is, and I don't have to sit here and look forever because I will do that. The first item that I got was something I was able to choose, and it is the plush ultra soft plaid scarf, and this retails for $75. So this is super soft, and I can't wait to wear it when it starts to get cooler outside. I've always wanted a scarf like this with like the plaid. I just always really liked them and never really found one that I fell in love with, but this, when I saw it on the customization day when I was able to choose, I fell in love with this, so I picked it. At first I thought it was just black and white, but I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera. This is actually navy and black, which I don't mind, but I'm just a little bummed because it's not gonna match my coat. I know that sounds so petty, but the fact that this is $75 is insane. I would never pay $75 for a scarf, but it is the softest thing I have ever felt in my life, and I'm very excited to wear it this fall. The next product I was able to choose were these Nassif MD detox pads, and they retail for $45. So I actually picked these and the Kate Spade lunch tote because that was the other option, and I like added this on for $10 because I really wanted both of them. I wanted the lunchbox because I started a new job, and first I was part-time and would need like a little lunch or a snack for when I was working, but then now I'm full-time, so I'm definitely gonna need a lunch. So the lunchbox came just in time. I'll insert a picture here of the lunchbox so you guys can see it. It's super cute, and I really wanted these detox pads because they just sounded so cool and interesting. So these are complexion perfecting pads with alpha beta hydroxy. I don't really know what that means exactly, but it says just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. So this just sounded really nice, and all you have to do is just use in the morning and evening to improve your skin's complexion. Don't rinse off, and there might be a tingling sensation, which is normal. And it tells you if you have dry skin, use twice a week and build up. Normal, use 3 times a week and build up. Sensitive, use twice a week. Increasing use if tolerated. And oily skin, use daily. So I'm definitely going to try these maybe twice a week and probably substitute these as like a mask, like instead of doing a mask or something, but they just sound so good. I'll probably try it tonight because I am breaking out like crazy. That's why I'm wearing like no makeup today because my skin's just not having it. Next up, I chose the Better Skin Co. Lava Magic, and this retails for $32. This is a 3-in-1 product. It cleanses, scrubs, and is a mask, and it is enriched with nourishing ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. I thought this just sounded really fun as well. So it's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. It has volcanic lava that helps cleanse, nourishes with calendula, sweet orange, and grapeseed oils, cucumber and parsley, and chamomile for healthy, radiant, more youthful looking skin, and it's scented with a hint of orange. So this just sounds really nice as well. I like these kind of like dual products. I had one from Clean & Clear that I finished up, so this sounds like it'll be just as nice, and I just love the packaging. I think the colors and the design is really pretty. The next product was one of the surprises. I did not choose this one, and it is the Skin Love Body Boost Gel, and this retails for $45. This is formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol, and it's a pre-workout gel that targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. So I'm assuming it's one of those things that like you can apply to your stomach or your legs, and it'll help tone that all up, which I'll probably start using because I haven't worked out in a very long time. It's just my work schedule has been crazy. It's been too hot to do anything. So this sounds really nice. I do have one of these, but I don't really know if it works that well. But I was kind of bummed to get it, I'm not gonna lie, but now that I'm reading it, it sounds nice. It just says to apply before any workout to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in small circular motions, and let the tingling begin. So it kind of sounds fun. You just have to make sure you don't get this in your eyes because it'll probably burn your eyes. It's probably gonna smell like Bengay. Next product was a surprise as well, and select members were able to pick it out if you pay the annual subscription fee, and I got the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack, and this retails for $25. So these sound really nice. I know people get these a lot in BOXYCHARM, which I am also getting, but I mean, I don't know if these are coming in the September BOXYCHARM, but you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I'm subscribed to BOXYCHARM, so hopefully I do like these. I've heard good things about Wonder Beauty, and I'm excited for these. Eye masks are something I need to get better at using, so I'll probably use these tonight just to relax and maybe wake up my eyes because my work schedule has been all over the place and a little stressful. But these have hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect, which that sounds really, really fun. The next 3 products I'm going to show you guys are products that everyone got in their box, and the first product is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Repair, and this retails for $30. So basically this has quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy, and it'll help protect your hair from heat styling. So it's essentially a heat protectant, which a heat protectant is something I need to get better at using, so I'm really excited for this. I've been using the one that I got, that like cream from the R+CO unboxing that I did. If you guys didn't see that, I'll link it down below, but this sounds really nice as well, so I'll definitely be using this once I'm done with my R+CO product because I've been heat styling my hair, I feel like, a little more than I have been in the past. So my hair, it doesn't feel dead, but it's definitely going to need that, you know, extra little loving. Next product that everyone got are these Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse, and they retail for $16. Not gonna lie, I kind of thought these were like candies or something when I first saw them, but they sound so cool. I've never used an exfoliating cube before, and they smell so good. It's like so melony, and they kind of smell like Sour Patch watermelons, which are my favorites, but these just sound so good. They said that, it says that these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. So definitely gonna try these out soon. And then the last thing that we all got is this Humankind Body Souffle, and this retails for $18. This cream sounds amazing, body souffle, whatever you want to call it. It has apricot oil in it and shea butter, and it will help leave your skin incredibly soft and moisturized. I want to smell this because it sounds like it's going to smell so good. And I can always use more body creams. I feel like that's just one thing I'm always running out of. Ooh, it does smell really nice. This is like what the texture is. Nice texture. And it's very like silky smooth. I like this kind of cream. And it smells so pretty. Ooh, I like. So the total value of my fall FabFitFun box could be anywhere between $211 to $345.99. So with everything, the total came out to be $316. But if I did without those detox pads that I paid $10 for, it would be $271, which I still think is a great price, because you're only paying $50 for the box, and it's just crazy. Like, I got so many good products for only $50. So that was my fall FabFitFun box. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this season's box. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm definitely excited for a lot of the products. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'll do little reviews of the products there just to make my life easier and your life easier. So make sure you're following me. It's in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media as well. Like I said, it's all in the description box. Just scroll down a little bit underneath all the products and all that stuff, and you'll find my social media links. If you guys have any video suggestions or just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that. Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, if you have any video suggestions. And if you are leaving comments on my videos or following me on all my social media, that's a way you can get a shout out in my next video. If you don't know how to get a shout out, I'm going to tell you right now. Just make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. On Twitter, I always have a tweet that says retweet for a shout out, and that's all you have to do. And if you're following me on Instagram, if you leave a comment on any of my pictures, or if like I have a question in my caption or a question on my Instagram story, and if you answer them, that will also give you an entry to get a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.